Hey, you got Trucker Tim here. I am going to make this video about trucking, not sports. This is my truck. It's a 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. Nice inside. Window right there. Got me in a bug catcher on front. This truck is just about like mine. It's my boss's, but mine. I take it home, I take care of it. I can do whatever I want to. I fix it up. I fix stuff on it. It's got chrome rims, 13 speed, DD14 Detroit engine. We pull for this company. It does pretty good. It does 80. Don't have to do 80 though. Don't have to do 80 though. Alright, let's check the inside out some. Since I need to back up a little bit to this dumpster where I got unloaded. This is the inside. I have just bought a refrigerator. There's a microwave on top. Big old deep freeze. Yes, I do have it full of food, water, lunch meat. There's another built-in refrigerator. I keep all the water and my yogurt back there. My coffee pot in there. Another cabinet where I'd store food. Have an upper bunk where I put clothes and accessories. My bottom bunk, a little messy this morning. My little cabinet, space there, my little desk. I have bottom cabinets there. I do have a 2,000 watt inverter that runs the refrigerator and my phones, tablets, the microwave. See, we took out the passenger seat so we can have the refrigerator. Got a new CB for Christmas. For Christmas. What am I thinking? That's a little ahead though. For my birthday today. Happy birthday to me. My son gave me that. Cobra 29 LTD Chrome Edition. Just had it peaked and tuned. Yesterday, it gets out and does real good. My GPS, which I need a new one. My headset. Storage space. Up there, my paper towels. See, I do have food. I have water and stuff. Milk. Milk for my cereal. Yes. 13 speed. My coffee, of course. Now, I just got through getting unloaded. I had trash or scrap K-cups, you know, like the little K-cup machine you got in your house or at the store. Makes 1 cup servings. So the little K-cups. Well, these are scrap because I usually just haul the white cups themselves Well, this is scrap. It was finished product. They made the coffee, whatever, filling them up, packaging them up, and maybe either got them too full, a hole got in them, wrong kind or something. Anyway, and I've got to sweep my trailer out now, and then I blow it out, because if you blow it out ahead of time, you get coffee grunge. So look at the mess I have to sweep up, which I do have a blower. But I don't want to blow it now like this, because then I'll get brown coffee grinds all over me. And yeah, I wear a mask for this. Coronavirus, this coffee makes me wear a mask for this. But yeah, if I blow it out now, then it'll get brown and all over me in my hair and everything. But yes, I'd sweep this out and then blow it. So, yep, that's what I do 2 or 3 times a week. I haul it to Huntsville, Alabama. I haul filter paper like rolls to Lebanon, Kentucky. And then sometimes on the East Coast, I'll haul tires. So, that's it. I need to get off here and sweep it out. I gotta back it up just a little bit, get closer to that dumpster. But thought I'd make a little video for y'all today. I hadn't made a good trucking video in a while, so a little tired, but yeah, it's my birthday today. I'm working. All right, truck it up. Whoop whoop. God loves you and so do I.